there is another type of multidimensional array, and this is known as a jagged array. So a jagged array, unlike a rectangular array, the inside values can be different. So you create it similarly, int square brackets, only instead of putting a comma there, you put another square brackets. And that says this is going to be a jagged array. And I'll just do jagged array is equal to new int square brackets, square brackets. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is this is going to complain. Array creation must have array size or array initializer. You have to explicitly create your outer array of a set size, 3 for instance. Your inner can be whatever you want. So now if you want to access, or if you want to set this, you can say jagged array is equal to new int square brackets 5 for instance. And let's go ahead and duplicate this. Let's say, oh, actually I need to give it the index here. 0, 1, and go ahead and go to 2. And I'm going to give these each different sizes, 4, for instance. So this will look like something like this. So let me go ahead and put that there. And so in the first position for here, you actually have an array of 5 elements. I can get my spaces and commas correct. So you have a 5-element array there. Your next one, you have a 2-element. And your third one, you have a 4-element. And this is all closed off like that. Notice that this is jagged because every position is or can be a different size. Now they could all be the same, but they don't have to be. And so the nice thing about a jagged array is you create whatever size of array you want inside of there. So now if I say jagged array square bracket 1 square bracket 1 is equal to 42, that will change this value here from a 0 to 42. And if I say something like jagged array square brackets 0 square brackets 3 is equal to 24, 0, 1, 2, 3, this one now becomes 24. So you can still access it, and this syntax may be more comfortable to a lot of you because that's what C++ uses, but really a jagged array it's an array of arrays, whereas a rectangular array, it is also an array of arrays, but that is going to be a fixed size at the time that you create it. Notice that this, because I left it empty, means I can create arrays of any size inside of there. You can combine jagged arrays and rectangular arrays by specifying here and here that you are storing a rectangular array. Now this isn't actually going to work the way that I have it here because these are one-dimensional arrays, but if I did change this like so, let me go ahead and get rid of these, and then I store whatever I want in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I do, let's say 5, 6, and I'm just going to go ahead and, yeah, I'm going to leave that as that, and this will be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So notice that I have a rectangular array here, a rectangular array there, and a rectangular array there. And so now, what does this look like? So I'm going to go ahead and clear this out. And so now here I have square brackets. Let's see. So I have my outer array, which is this, and my inner, and then I have another inner here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then down here I have 5, 6, and down here I have 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have a jagged array, and inside of there I have a rectangular array of values. So you can combine all of these, you can mix and match and do all of it. There's just different ways and different reasons you might do a jagged array versus a rectangular array.